Hi everyone, we're now looking at the month of September and what does it have in store for you if you come under the zodiac sign of Aquarius. Yes, for you Aquariuses, it is a mixed bag. Now for the career and for the business perspective, the month starts on a note wherein you need to hold on to your communication. It does look like you may be agitated in the first half of the month and you may be having some arguments, some misunderstandings. So avoid that in your communication. Stay away from all those kind of negativities and focus only on your work and your responsibilities and taking yourself forward and building yourself. Especially watch your communication with your colleagues of the opposite sex. Take support of your co-workers and take support of your bosses, which will come forward and step forward to help you grow and to help you progress this month. Keep a watch only on your targets and keep moving ahead. From the next perspective, and that's from your finances are pretty stable this month, and it does look like you're having a lot of profit and gains coming your way, or some sudden gains that come your way, some unexpected gains that come your way. Any kind of old investments that you have done will now pay off, and you do look at a lot of gains and profits coming your way in the second half of the month. So that's a good one for your finances. Look at that well and enjoy that well too. From the health perspective, this is a month for you to even focus on your health. Now it does look like there's a lot of concerns around the stomach region and waist downwards. So there could be any kind of stomach infections, indigestion issues. So there could be any intestinal issues that will play up this month. Even there are reproductive issues which are suddenly creeping in and playing in. So just keep out a watch for that. I would even say for you Aquariuses who are females this month, it is important that all the females and all the women take care of your health this month. Any kind of infections that play up definitely need your concern. So do not neglect any kind of health issues this month. From a relationship perspective as well, this is a very good month for your relationships. The family is building, the family comes together for support, for a lot of family functions as well. So take the support from your family, take out some time for calm and for connecting as well with the family. Now, some of you Aquariuses who are single and in relationships and are looking forward to go ahead with marriage plans. So marriage plans will work out very well for you Aquariuses this month. You can give that a thought and you can go ahead progressing with all the plans that you have in store for you. This is a good month for you to start opening up on that concern. From an overall remedy perspective, it is important that you take care of your health this month. And you can even go ahead and do some little prayers, some meditation sessions and gatherings in the home and in the family front. It is also a time when you can do small little donations, especially to the little female, members of the family or little, female children around, whoever you can support or whoever you can help in some way or the other. I'm Sharon S. Monija. Thank you so much for being a part of Avenues. And if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's stay connected for so much more in store.